guys, today we're back with another video, and today we're replacing the water pump on this side by side. It's a Polaris RZR 800. It's like a 2012 or something. I guess we'll drain the antifreeze right here. Mike went on a ride the other day with some of his friends and got up the road and it started overheating on him, so I had to go rescue him. And it crunked back up after a while, but we're pretty sure the water pump's bad.
I'm going to change the thermostat also. The water pump is located right here. We'll have to take this, after we get the antifreeze drained, have to take this hose off and this plate off. And then there's a impeller behind there and a seal. We're going to change that. We're also going to change the thermostat. We have to take some more stuff off to get through it.
All right. There you go.
That didn't drain anything.
Cap off.
Still ain't got none in it. Put that back on again.
This right here is the water pump cover. Right here. That's the cover for it. Dave's got the thermostat going on up here. Where's the thermostat, Dave?
So this is the housing right here.
Thermostat housing is right there.
I got it, Caleb.
Today on Diesel Mountain, we're waiting for this boat to dry some more so we can do some more patching. But in the meantime, I'm going to replace the radiator in this RZR because it's overheating. We changed the water pump, thermostat, temperature sensing unit, still overheating, and I've got a new radiator for it. It's hose clamp here, one here, 4 bolts, pumps out, and this is a new radiator. Okay, to put an oversized radiator in it, you got to take all this out to get it in there. I had to take all this off, and now the radiator should fit right down in here. Okay, got the radiator in, doesn't overheat now. Now I got to put the plastic back on.
Alright, so we've got this thing all back together and running. It turned out to be, we wound up changing the temperature sensor, the thermostat, and the water pump. And we changed all that just to find out that the radiator was stopped up. And so it's got a new radiator that's a little bit bigger. So it doesn't overheat. He went right up the road and came back. The fan doesn't even kick on now, so it's running smooth and everything. So if you guys like the video, drop a comment or drop a like down below and drop a comment if you want to, and stay tuned. So we wound up replacing the water pump, the
you stand right here by
temperature sensing unit
on the other side of this tree.
Either way, it's running now. It wound up being the radiator. We replaced everything. Pretty now. Replaced everything with the cooling system. Gosh.
That was fun. That was pretty gnarly, dude. I seen you running, Joe. I thought you were stuck, dude.
Alright, it's getting raining a bit too hard, so we're gonna head back.
Like, subscribe, drop a comment, keep us up there in the algorithm. Help us grow.